Good morning, students. I am a teacher from Premchand Memorial Public School. Student, as you know, we have already done till chapter number 4. Today we are doing chapter number 5, that is algebraic expression. Okay, now let's start the chapter. First, let's read fundamental concepts while doing algebraic expressions. So, constant, a symbol which has a fixed value is called constant. ये आपको भी पता है बच्चे. कोई भी सिंबल हो जिसकी एक फिक्स्ड वैल्यू होती है दैट इज नोन एज कांस्टेंट. लाइक एग्जांपल लाइक दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट. वेरिएबल, अ सिंबल विच कैन बी गिवन वेरियस न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज इज कॉल्ड अ वेरिएबल. एग्जांपल a is equal to l into b, like l is equal to 5, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 and a is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So here L, B and A are variables. Got it, student? Now algebraic expression, a collection of constants and literals variables connected by one or more of the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. इस क्लियर बच्चे, जो कलेक्शन होता है कांस्टेंट और लिटरल वेरिएबल्स का जो कि एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं थ्रू द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ लाइक एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन. ओके, सी एग्जांपल नंबर 1. राइट द algebraic expression for the following statement. Now thrice of a number added to 8, so we will write number will be x thrice is added to 8 like this. Okay, this is our algebraic expression. Okay, now come to page number 81, students. See example number 2. Here write all the terms of the algebraic expression. Here we have to write all the terms of algebraic expression. Like this was the term and we have to, this was the equation given and we have to write the terms. Terms will be this, 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 this. Okay, got it? Now suppose factors and coefficient of a term. We have to find the factors. So what we will do? Let's see the example. Consider the expression 5xy. अगर हम 5xy का लेंगे तो then we can say 5 into xy, 5x into xy, 5y into x, 1 into 5xy. These are the factors of 5xy. Got it, student? Now come to next page, students. That is 82, page number 82. See coefficients. So what are the coefficients? Any factor of a term of an algebraic expression is called coefficient of the numerical coefficient of the remaining factor of the terms. In particular, the constant part is called the numerical coefficient or simply the coefficient of the term, and remaining part is called the literal coefficient of the term. So if we are having this expression, so here term is minus this one, so we can say numerical coefficient is this, literal coefficient is this, like this we can say. Got it? So here in example 3 we have to write the coefficient of this and this. So we will write coefficient of a in 9ab is equal to 9b. Got it? Now like and unlike terms you have already studied in your previous class. I think you know this. Still, let's see. Here all are having the same variable, so we can say they are the like terms. Okay, and if they are having a different variable, they are unlike terms. Now come to page number 83, students. See types of algebraic expression. Monomial, an algebraic expression having only one term, that is known as monomial. ये भी हमने पहले पढ़ा है बच्चे. Like this. And binomial means two terms like this. And trinomials मतलब 3 terms यानी 3. like this. Okay, these. Got it, student? Now, polynomials. What are polynomials? Where algebraic expression containing one or more terms is called polynomial. Okay, that can be monomial, binomial or trinomial. So, a degree of polynomial with one variable. So, if we are having this polynomial in x of degree 1. Got it? Now, in this polynomial in y of degree 2. Here is a polynomial in z of degree 3, means this is a polynomial in x of degree 5, greater value. We will write the greater value. Got it, student? Now, come to page number 84, student. Let's start with exercise 5.1. Question number 1. I know you can do yourself. And in question number 2, we have to identify the term and their factors in the following expression by the factor tree method. Now, let's see this method practically. We are doing question number 2, 6 part. Okay. So, in this question, first we will write terms. Okay, पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? Terms. Then what are the terms? Minus 5x square. Then 4xy. Then 6y square. Got it? So, what are the factors? Factors are minus 5, x and 4, x, y and x, y, y. These are the factors. Got it, student? Now come to question number 3. Here we have to identify the terms and factors in the following. इसमें terms क्या है और factors क्या है? This question is like this only. I know you can do it. And here you have to identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. This also you can easily do it. जो one term है that is monomial, जहाँ 2 है binomial, जहाँ 3 है trinomial. Okay. Now here write the coefficient of x in the following. Here we have to write the coefficient of x in the following. So here what is the coefficient of x in this? That is here coefficient is 4a. Got it? Like this you have to do the others also. Now come to question number 6. Here you have to write the numericals coefficient of each term of the following algebraic expression. So in this question, let's see question 6 part 2 practically. This is very easy, bache. We have to write the numericals coefficient. Then they are what they are, that is minus 2, 5, minus 4 and 9. Is it clear, student? Now come to next question. Student, in question number 7 we have to write the coefficient of this in this. So this is very easy. Here what is the coefficient of this? That will be minus 5 only. तो ये बहुत ईजी है बच्चे. Like this question and this question you can do it. Here you have to write the constant term in each of the following algebraic expression. तो हमें क्या लिखना है बच्चे? Constant term लिखनी है. तो what is the constant term here? This one. And here also this one without variable. And here this one and this one. Got it? This is constant. Now here you have to identify the like terms in the following groups of terms. So you can find them easily. What are the like terms? जो एक जैसी है उन्हें आप एक साथ लिखेंगे, जो अलग है उन्हें अलग लिखेंगे. Like this and this is same and this is same. Got it? Now come to page number 85, student. Here also you have to identify the like terms in the following algebraic expression. यहाँ भी आपको like terms ही find करनी है. This also you can do yourself. Now here write down the degree of each of the term algebraic expression and the state of the degree of these expression. Now here you have to write the degree of each term. So what is the degree here? That will be 2. Okay. So and degree of each term is 0 and 2. Here each term is 1 and 3 and degree is 3. Is it clear, student? Now let's see example number 2 from page number 85. So what is the example? Here you have to add this number to this number. तो बच्चे क्या करेंगे, ये आप पहले से ही जानते हैं. ऐड करने से पहले आप जो भी दोनों टर्म हैं उनको सेम लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ लिखेंगे, और अनलाइक को कि अगर अनलाइक टर्म का कुछ भी मैचिंग नहीं है तो उसे आप ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे. ओके, लाइक दिस, देन यू विल ऐड देम. सो हियर प्लस माइनस माइनस, बट वी विल कीप द साइन ऑफ बिगर वैल्यू. ओके, प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है और बिग वैल्यू का साइन यूज़ करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर, स्टूडेंट? एंड दिस इज योर हॉरिजेंटल मेथड ऑफ doing addition and this is the vertical method of doing addition. I will suggest you all follow the vertical method. Okay, and in subtraction also you have to do the same, but what you will do, suppose let's see page number 86, student. In that I will tell you. See, student, what you have to suppose here, like you are having a number this and this. First of all, we kept the unlike terms together. After that, we have to change the sign in subtraction. Like नीचे वाले का हम साइन चेंज कर देंगे. Like here, if we keep the subtraction, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, and minus will here. Got it, student? And while doing subtraction, we will follow these signs. Okay, student? Like this you have to do. Now come to exercise 5.2, that is on page number 87. So student, here you have to simplify each expression by combining like terms. उनको combine like terms को साथ में करके इसको बस simplify करना है. And here you have to add and here you have to subtract. So these 3 questions are easy. I will tell you practically 2 questions from this. So let's do 5th question first. What should be subtracted from this to get this? So अगर हमें इस नंबर में क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि हमें ये नंबर मिले, then let's see practically. Now let's start. To get the required number, we should subtract minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20 from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20. Okay, then what we will do, we can say therefore 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Got it? Now we will solve it. So 3x square minus 4y square, ये टर्म पूरी ऐसी की ऐसी रहेगी बच्चे. It will change. Plus x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 20. Now we will solve 3x square, x square. We will keep them together first. 3x square plus x square minus y square. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ कर लेंगे. (20 minus 20). So this will be cut it down. Okay, and this it will become 4x square plus minus minus साइन बड़े का आएगा 3y square. This becomes minus xy. So we can say thus 4x square minus 3y square minus xy is the required expression to be subtracted. Got it, student? Now let's see next question. Now student, other questions are also like that only. Now let's see question number 14. That is different. Okay, and 12 and 13 are same as question number 14. Let's do directly question number 14, where if a is equal to x minus 2, b is this one, then c is this one, then we have to show that this one is equal to 3y. Let's see, हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, then after that we will solve it. Now let's see question number 14 practically. See student, question number 14, that is a plus b plus c is equal to x minus 2 plus y plus 2 plus minus x plus 2y. Then it will become x minus 2 plus y plus 2 minus x plus 2y. X minus x plus y plus 2y minus 2 plus 2. हमने लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ कर लिया. आफ्टर दैट वी विल सॉल्व इट. वी कैन से this becomes 3y. We will cut. So we can say 3y is equal to 3y. Hence, therefore, a plus b plus c is equal to 3y is equal to 3y. Hence, proved. Got it, student? Now come to page 88, student. That is exercise 5.3. Before doing exercise 5.3, let's see example. Here we have to find the value of expression for a given value of x. हमें जो x की वैल्यू दे रखी है उसके साथ हमें ये उसको सॉल्व करना है. This is very easy. We have to put the value, then after that we have to solve it. Clear, student? Now in example number 2, we have to find the value of the following expression when x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3. This is also same. Firstly you have to keep the value, then after that you have to solve it. That will be very easy for you. Now example number 3, here you have to find the value of the expression 4ab plus this one 7bc minus 6ca when a is equal to this and b is equal to this and r is equal to this. Again you have to keep the value, then you have to solve it. This is C, student. Okay, after solving you will get answer this. Now like this in exercise 5.3 you have to do same. Question number 1 is same like example number 1, and question number 2 is same like example number 1 only. Now in question number 3, you have to find the value of these by keeping the value of this, like here x is 1 and y is 2, so the answer is 3. Okay, like this. In here x is 1 and 4 is 4, this become 5. Like this you have to solve it. This is a very easy exercise, student. I know you can do it. Now come to page number 89, students. Now see, student, question number 4, 5 are same. Let's do question number 6 practically. In this we will do part 8. Okay, let's see. See, student, this is our expression and these are the value given of x, y and z. So first we will put the values. 1 is 1, then we will solve it. This is 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 6 plus 2, then we can say minus 3. Okay, we keep the sign of bigger value is equal to minus plus, it becomes answer minus 11. Got it, student? Like this you have to do. Now come to next question. See, student, in question number 7, these are the value given of a, b and c. We have to find the value of this, so we have to multiply this. Okay, this is also very easy, and here also we have to do the same in this question also. And let's see question number 10. This is looking little bit different. What is the value of this if x is equal to minus 1? Let's see it practically. So this is the value of x and we have to keep this value in this. So after keeping the value of x, we get 4 x plus x minus 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to, we can say 4 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, now we will solve it. So after solving we will get, this will become minus 4 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So our answer will be minus 9. This is our answer, student. Got it? Now let's see uses of algebraic expression. So formulas for perimeter. What are the formulas for perimeter? For equilateral triangle we have this, and for square we have this, and for rectangle we have this. So formulas for area we have this, and formulas for rectangle we have this. It means L into B, and these are the expressions. Got it, student? So rules for number pattern. What are the rules? And that is important. It's if we denote a natural number by n. अगर हम natural number को n से denote करते हैं, then its successor will be n plus 1. And if 2n is an even number, अगर 2n जो है even number है, then where n is 5, we can say 2 into 5 is equal to 10. That will also be a even number. Now, if 2x plus 1 is an odd number, then n is equal to 6, then it comes odd only. Okay. Got it, student? Now, come to page number 90, student. This exercise is on technical basis where you have to use the pattern method. So, let's see exercise 5.4 and see question number 1. So, what is this? What we have to do in this? 8, 10, 12 and 14. So, we will apply rule 2x plus 6. So, thus the 15th term is, what is that? It becomes 36. Got it, student? Like this, you have to do the other. Okay, so here what you will do? You will keep 2. And here you will keep 9. You will write n plus 1. Okay. Now, come to page number 91, student. See, question number 2. The first 4 square numbers are given below. Now, let the number of rows be n. अगर हम number of rows क्या है? n है. तो what we will do? What will be the 5th square? तो क्या करेंगे? We will square that. It will become 25. Okay. And it is n square. And row the 6th square will be, how you can do? That will be, this is very simple, you know, that is 36. You will do like this. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Now, name the 6th square number. That will be 36. Is it clear, student? Now, see question number 3. This is also like question. Do it. Okay, take the help of example. I hope, student, आपको ये चैप्टर क्लियर हो गया होगा. Still, if you are facing any difficulty, please text me. I am there to help you. After getting your answer sheet, do your work in your fair notebook. उससे पहले आप प्रैक्टिस जो भी करेंगे अपनी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक में करेंगे या तो रफ नोटबुक में करेंगे. Is it clear, student? All the best, student. Have a nice day.